Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to automate a Flutter Text widget using Appium, making your UI tests more efficient and reliable. Appium is an open-source automation framework that allows you to write tests for mobile applications, including those built with Flutter, using various programming languages. Here's a simple Flutter Text widget displaying the word hello. By default, this widget isn't easily accessible for automation tools like Appium. To make the text widget accessible, we add a semantics label. This label helps automation tools identify and interact with the widget. In Appium Inspector, the semantics label appears as the accessibility ID. This linkage allows Appium to locate and interact with the widget during test. Similarly, image and icon widgets also support semantics label. Use semantics label same way as explained in text widget. Using semantics labels is a best practice for making Flutter widgets accessible to automation tools. It ensures your tests are robust and maintainable. Next time you're automating Flutter widgets, remember to use semantics label for better accessibility. If you think this is useful, hit like button and subscribe this channel. Happy coding, happy testing.